G'day everyone, Prep Aussie again. Okay, now we are in Anchorage Cook Inlet webcam. This is actually going to be a very analytical video because I want to show you some stuff that I just don't get. So this may end up being 2 videos again. I'm sorry about that, but there's so much in this video, it's hard to understand. You'd be happy to know I'm sitting by the pool, throwing the ball in the pool with the dog and having a beer, so I'm trying to multitask. Right, let's start. Now, keep an eye on the sun when it comes up here, because I watched this in the Antarctic on my clips in South Pole that I did, and I just don't get this. Just watch this. Right, this is why this is going to take a while. I want to be super analytical and start pointing out these things that I see that I probably should have done earlier, but, just thought they were relevant. But I'll just show you. Just watch the sun. Here it comes, see? Boom. Big, bold. Use this tree as your defining point for the sun. See how big it is? Look, big, bold, beautiful. Every sun. I'll throw them all. Look at that. Now, without stating obvious, the webcam is fixed. So it doesn't zoom in or out. I can't zoom it in or out. Just so everyone knows that. So just keep watching the sun. And there's the very brave lads in the USAF, or some pilot somewhere, kindly spraying the shit out of the sky for everyone in Anchorage. Go figure. Maybe the moose are looking up. Who knows? Or gophers. Just keep an eye on the sun. Like I said, you'll notice something weird. Right, big, small. Now, I didn't move the screen, and it's physically impossible for me to do that, but let's go back. Watch how big the sun is when it gets here. See? Look. Big. Bang. Boom. Big sun. And then it starts getting smaller. Look. How is that possible? It's actually physically not possible. There's no clouds. You all saw there was no clouds. Or minimal clouds. Now there's no clouds except for the vortex that's being created by the beautiful chemicals spraying by the USAF. Oh, US government. Sorry, boys in blue. I always respect the boys in uniform, in the Army, Navy and Air Force. You do a great job. Stop chemtrailing. Just watch it. It's just bizarre. Look at these chemtrails. Look at the way they react with the sun. I'm starting to think in my own mind that they're actually the particulates explode with the sun, when the sun and the heat. Because you saw that vortex before, so I'm starting to think they generate heat together and explode and then just blow outwards like this. Look at that. I may be wrong. I'm not a bloody particulates engineer, but that's just a theory of mine. So there you go. Look at the sun now. Wonder what that is that they're trying to hide. Oh, sorry about that. Let's go back a bit. Alright, I'll let it run for a sec. Right, look at that. Look how big that is compared to before a second ago. Look at that. Now, this is something that I brought up in my video the other day for the South Pole. If anybody watched it, was reflections. Now that's going to play an important part in a minute, so just keep watching the reflection on the water, right? It plays an important part in this video. There you go. Look, reflection in the water. I'll go back a bit. You'll see what I mean. Just watch the reflection on the water. Keep watching. See, it's yellow. That's white. That's what I don't get. Now keep watching. There's another bit that I don't get as well, and I'll point that out in a second. Oh, looks like a Copacabana sunset, doesn't it? Look, except for the chemtrailer and the second planet that's there. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Ooh. Right, watch this here. Look, this is the bit that I don't get. I pointed this out the other day in my video, right? Watch this, right? This is what we'd all expect to see when the sun hits the earth at the sea. Would we not? You know, there's obviously cloud cover there. There's obviously cloud cover there. So I'll let it run a bit. Still there. I don't get it. It's gone. Where is the reflection? It's gone. there's a reflection there that you can see at the tip, but the rest of it's gone. A little bit further back. Oh, it's gone. You can kind of see it, but it's not there. It should be a really bright reflection off the water. And that there is going right down to the water. I'll keep going. Sorry, too far. Oh, where's the reflection on the water gone? There's no reflection. It's not there. You can even bend the screen back at 45. Do whatever you want. It's not there. So the sun's gone down. The sun has gone down. That is our sun. Got a little bit in there, but I don't know what that shit is around the outside. You can see the actual sun. There's two distinct things there, right? Well, almost gone. Would you agree? It's gone dark. Can't see the. You can't see the houses. Now, this is what I want to show everyone. Apart from the obvious. Back a little bit. A little bit more. Stupid thing. Right, there we go. Now, watch the sun as it goes down. Watch this here, okay? Actually, I'm going to cut it there. And I'll make the second one just on the sun. And you'll see what I mean. Alright, God bless.